I'm Don with the Law Office of Don R. Dennis Jr. My office helps businesses that are involved in complex business deals. The issue is this: when you sign an agreement, are there adequate protections to help you in the event things don't go as planned? And do you comprehensively understand all the terms in the agreement? As an engineer, experienced attorney, and certified privacy professional, I've seen all types of agreements. My office's motto is engage diligence, because I believe clients have the right to a responsive attorney that has the same energy for them from the beginning until the end. If you're looking for an attorney that's going to fight for you and not with you on your matter, contact my office at 213-455-0880.
So out in California, they have a law about shoplifting. And this law is if you do not steal more than $950 worth of merchandise, you'll be given a ticket to pay. Yes, you'll be given a ticket. You will not get arrested for shoplifting. Well, you had two guys that went in a TJ Maxx out in Los Angeles, California. And I want you to see how just brazen they were in this video. Let's roll that clip.
Hold on. That looks great. Hold on. Come on, come here, Zoe. What's up, guys? I want to see how far you guys get.
So this has been going on a lot in California. Now, when I'm doing this story, I'm thinking about, a lot of our black-owned businesses who are retail stores. And, black-owned businesses, they have to account for a whole lot of things. They're not major corporations, that I'm going to say the size of a TJ Maxx. You understand? So if you have a, small business in the black community, you can have these same jokers walk in and steal. And, they had people that tried to stop these jokers before, and sometimes, employees have got hurt, even some have gotten killed. So the police is telling people don't stop them if they're trying to walk out the store because you don't know if they're armed with something. This doesn't encourage any kind of retail business to be open in California. I mean, who can operate like that when people can just walk away with merchandise, right? I mean, sure, you can get, insurance for your business for theft, but the insurance rates is going to be through the roof. So when they came up with this law, that is a dumb law. That is a silly law. So silly. And somebody can steal almost $1,000 worth of items and nothing happens to them. Nothing. I wouldn't want to open up no retail store like that for those people. Or then if you have a store and they start putting everything in a case and locking it up, then you want to get mad. I mean, what do you expect a business owner to do? Like I said, I'm talking in the guise of our community, because the same thing can happen to, brothers and sisters that own retail stores also. And we would be more devastated by that than a TJ Maxx. But I said before, listen, California, like I said, love the weather in California. I enjoy when I go. But outside of some of that, the way that state is ran, like the politics of California, the way they do black people out there, they don't treat black people right. They don't. And black people isn't even considered. They wanted a black woman to replace Kamala Harris going to the Senate, and they did not do that. You understand? My issue with this whole story is, crazy as the state of Texas is on a whole lot of things, at least I know if I open up a retail store here in Texas and you're behind steal, well, two things could happen in Texas. Number one, I know you'll be prosecuted. Number two, if you come in a business in Texas and pull that mess, you walking in the guise of the castle law. So someone could actually stop you. A business owner could pull a firearm on you and say, put the stuff down or get down. I'm waiting for the police to arrive or whatever. They can do that in the state of Texas. Your home, your car, and your business is considered your castle. And your castle, you can use deadly force and not go to jail for it. So I don't think Texas is a place you need to be stealing. Well, you don't need to be stealing from nobody. That's just a violation of a universal biblical law. They say, thou shalt not steal. And nowhere in the earth, stealing is okay. So those look like some brothers. The brothers that are doing that, you despicable and foul, man. Because I can't stand people like that. Because you stealing just because. You ain't stealing because you need some food. Now, because of this COVID situation and the way people have these lockdowns and all of that, you seeing more and more crime. Also, because now they about to reinstate evictions. If you start throwing a lot of people out on the streets, you're really going to see even more crime coming. You understand? It's not so much to defund the police that did it. It's the fact is, when you got people, the America's paradigm has shifted now. People don't want those jobs no more when they not getting paid anything. Because when you got people used to the extra $300 a month from unemployment, they're not trying to go do no job serving food. Y'all gonna have to raise some wages up at least to minimum wage, or maybe up to $10 to even get people back in there. I'm talking about workers, to make it attractive for them. You understand? But let me know what you think about this. Like some of you brothers and sisters that live in California right now, what's your take on this? Some of you may even own a retail store. Have anybody stole something from you? Let me know.
Are you tired of the violence, tired of the injustice, police brutality, rampant discrimination, lack of gun control in this failed bio-socioeconomic experiment called America? Or maybe you need a break from the relentless grind and want to regain control of your destiny, your wealth, your health, and your purpose. DiversifiedGame.com has the right course for you. Prepare for my first trip to Africa. Looking to reconnect with your roots, start a new business, or just a fresh start. Africa, aka the motherland, is waiting. Don't let the Chinese and the Mzungus have the fun and also take over the motherland. From Cairo to Mombasa, from Dakar to Cape Town, Africa has something for everyone, from business opportunities to the most amazing people, safety, leisure, and landscapes. The opportunities abound. It is time for the diaspora to reconnect with their roots. Time to reconnect with the birthplace of humanity. Africa is the last frontier. Get your head in the game and reclaim your legacy. The writing is on the wall. Babylon is falling. Give up the stress, grind, and violence inflicted on our people on this continent and prepare for a journey of restoration and joy by connecting with the land of your ancestors. Check out our new course and kick off your adventure at diversifiedgame.com.